theory for me works just like a pizza. I always relate food to music. Okay. Here's our pizza. Hey, everybody's whatever. And then you've heard the term where they count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the music starts. Okay. So you're counting in 4 parts. So you're subdividing the pizza in 4 quarters, so you can feed 4 people. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is called 4/4 or common time, which means you're counting 4 quarters of a type. What type of notes? Which is quarter notes. Okay, so it's 4 quarter notes. 4 quarter notes. Subdivisions. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. This is basically the empty pizza before you start subdividing the music into 4 quarters. Okay, so you count it 1, 2, 3, 4, pizza. Okay. Then it happens. Okay. So by counting this, you have the 4 sections or segments of music, and generally we would write it in this form. So you'll see there's a lot of lines, not a speed trap. Okay, and it starts with the closed and the ending, closed and start section. So between point A and point B, this is where the music starts happening, right here. It's not on the paper. And it's called a bar, a musical bar. And then the subdivisions that we've just given is the 4 sections, which is, this is, no, let's rather do this. That can work. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is your 4 parts of the music that you're counting according to the time signature. Does it make sense? Mm-hmm. So whatever you play and write or whatever needs to happen within this segment of music. Okay. Yes, maybe? Yes. If I had a melodic line, it would be like this. So, okay. Melodic lines are like ding, 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 ding. Okay. Rhythmic is like ding, 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 ding. Not much melodic sense to it, unless it's on different sound sources. Okay, so we're in the rhythmic section. You're musicians, but just rhythmic musicians. Okay. So, if I subdivide it like this, we actually have, I'll just pick a line and put a note there, and give it a system. And this is a quarter note. Now this note takes care of 1 count. Okay? That one takes care of 1 count, and this one, and this one. So you have 4 notes in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is what it sounds like when you play on the drums. Just a little more musical. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I subdivide the pizza to feed more people, I have 8 notes. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how I would count this then? Yes. Not a plus. Can't really. Okay. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So now I've got 8 divisions that I'm counting. So if I'm playing a groove that consists of quarters, it's like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Now 8 notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, so there's the subdivisions of 8 notes. And if I subdivide them again, then obviously I get 16s. And we count these 1 E and A, 2 E and A. So there's someone that knows some theory. Good, so it goes along. Then you have 16 little parts. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. So the notes increase in the same space that we're playing. So it seems you're playing faster, but you're actually just playing a lot more in the same space. So I'm subdividing my pizza, and you can feed a lot more people. No, I'm not doing that. Okay, what's the difference between a pizza and a dough? A pizza feeds a family of 5. So, okay, let's just go through the note values, just the basic whole note, which you've probably seen in piano. It takes care of the whole bar. So if you play this, it goes ding, and it ends. Okay? If you subdivide the pizza, there's a little pizza, in half you get 2 halves, and then the half note looks like that, and then under 3. So this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ding, ding. Okay, so it sustains for the whole time. The piano, you can do that, guitar, and melodic instruments, but you can't really do that on a drum unless you hit the cymbal, count, and stop it, and then you've got some sort of decay, but also sustain. Now, if we subdivide that, then we get quarter notes. It's a very quick theory lesson, so forgive me if you forget. Okay, this is where the 4/4 comes in hand. They're all in 4/4 in this time signature. This one just sustains for the whole bar of 4/4. This one for half-half. This one for every quarter, and then the 8th notes in between. There's no klaar ons weer speel hoor. Speel ek gesê, okay. So an 8th note, if you write them separately with a little tail, or you can combine them as a group of 2 or a group of 4. So, and then the 16s are those ones. The more notes you put, or the smaller the value of the note, the more stripes you get. So 30 seconds would be in between those, and I'll have 3 lines. It's all about recognizing the notes so that you can play the notes accordingly within the space of time that you have. So if the time is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and so forth. Does it make sense? Is it just a very quick introduction to rhythmic theory?